Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the unboxing for the June 2023 Potomac Beads box. Very excited about this. This is the Best Bead Box, the Treasure subscription. It's formerly the regular box. The techniques that it's used for normally are stringing, weaving, and freeform. It has 10 to 20 different packs of stash beads. The stash beads may include a new collection each month, same products in multiple colorways. They put 2 to 3 inspirational videos provided for each box. The premium stash beads are crystals, check, glass, pearl, seed beads, premium metals, etc. It's beginner friendly, and past boxes will become available a la carte after several months. The price is $39.99 per month. If you buy it quarterly, it's $34.99, so you save $60 a year. And the best price is if you buy it annually, it's $29.99, and you save $120 a year. So let's start. I love this box. I have saved all of them. Oh, I hope it doesn't hit my camera. So this is called Nature Lover Treasure Subscription. Whether you collect shells from the beach, press and preserve leaves from nature walks, or admire the stunning iridescence of a dragonfly wing, this Nature Lover Treasure Box has something for you. Okay. So, and these are all the products inside of it. Oh, it looks very pretty. Oh, look at these. Look at these pretty shells. Okay. Let me get this together. Check these out. Oh, look at these pretty beads. Oh, very pretty. I close this up. I have my camera a little low today. So, yeah, lots of goodies in here. Oh, look at these. Very pretty. Now let me get everything set up and I will be right back. Okay, so we're starting with the Potomac Crystal Bicones in Indicolite 4mm. I'm not sure how to say that word, but oh, look at these beauties. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a really pretty box this month. So pretty. I love how they have their, their ones that they have every month, and then they add some new fun pieces to it. This next one is Labradorite Pebble Beads, 6 to 8mm, or gemstone pebble beads they're called. The Labradorite, very pretty. This would look really nice with the blue, the gray, and the blue like that. Very good. Next are the Potomac Pearls in pastel green, an 8-inch strand, 2mm. So this is different. They usually give us the 4mm. Oh, look how pretty these are. Very pretty. Nice pastel green. Okay, and next is a miter shell beads. Pack of 3. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that name either. Oh, these are pretty. See how they're like that on one side, and then you turn them over. They have that pretty AB finish on them. These are really nice. Hole goes down to the middle. Okay. Next is the Fossil Shell Pale Turquoise. These are really, oh, love these. Look at the detail in these beads. I love these kind of beads. I love the colors too. And this is a check leaf strand pack of 1. Check wavy leaf beads, they call it on the on the sheet here. These are really pretty. Wow. Look at these. Lots of ideas coming to mind with this. Wow. This is a nice handful of these leaf beads. So pretty. Okay. Lots of detail on those beads too. Okay. Next is the Check Faceted Round Seafoam 8mm. Look at the sparkles in these. Love these. And these are enough alone to make yourself a nice little bracelet. You have an outfit to go with it. Love these. Okay. Next is the Check Smooth Round 2mm Crystal AB beads. They have that pretty AB finish you can see with the, I have a white background. I tried to have a white background so you can see everything, but then when you have clear or white beads, it's kind of hard to tell. But yeah. You can see them in there. We're going to have fun this month. And these are Hemu wood beads, 10mm. Oh, they're very lightweight. These would be good for earrings. Love these. I'm sure you could paint these if you wanted to. I don't know if you'd want to though. Kind of like the natural look of the wood. And then next is a wood bezel pack of 1. This is really cool. You have a bezel, so you could put something in this. I'm sure you could even glue something in this. I was just thinking something kind of cool with those leaf beads, even though they're, I don't know, we'll have to see. I have to get my creative juices flowing. That could be really cool. Okay. Next is the metal dragonfly wings, a pack of 2. These are pretty. I love when they just give you the set of wings and you get to make your own dragonfly with the beads, the head and the tail and all that. Same on both sides. Very pretty. And next are the copper nuggets. Copper nugget beads, a pack of 20. Those are cool. They have you could tell they're thicker on one side. So they have an angle. So if you stack them like in between beads, it won't be perfectly stacked. It'll be more angled like that. So that could be really pretty. Give some different, uniqueness to a piece of jewelry you make. Next is the pewter metal button. Oh, this is nice. Look at the detail on that. It's nice because they give you like a little bit of everything, and you could really, let your imagination run wild and create something with these. These are Miyuki seed beads, seafoam lined crystal. These are 8/0s. I'm just gonna take some of them out. Oh, look how pretty those are. They're really pretty. Love that. I love the sparkle in these. Do I have any? Oh, don't want to lose even one of these beauties. We have that. Then we have Potomac Beads pad post for earrings, 6mm stainless steel. These are nice, so you can make something and then glue it to the pad. So there's, doesn't say how many are in here. There's quite a bit. 1, 2, let me see. Okay, so there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. We have enough for 10 pairs of earrings and then an extra. Someone's got 3 holes in their ear. So we've got those. And then we've got the Potomac Beads ear wire backs, small 3.5 by 3mm silicone clutch. Oh, these are nice ones. Yeah, these are really nice backings. They're smaller than the normal ones. Well, I do have a few ideas already with this box. This is a really pretty box this month. Allie and Nathan do a good job when they put all these little goodies together. This is giving me some ideas. I'm not really sure yet, but when I think of what I want to do with it, I will do a video with it. I kind of have an idea for this, but I'm going to have to, of course, go off camera and kind of work with it and see if it looks good or not, you know, because I always do that. Usually before I do a tutorial, I have like one of my long pieces of beading wire, and I will kind of play with it and work with it and put it together, and then either say yay or nay. And then if I like it, then I will make a video of it. So yeah, this is giving me a few ideas. So yes, definitely stay tuned. I will have some kind of a video tutorial coming up, maybe a couple of them, it depends. And I will leave the link below to their website. And if you use my link code, I would really appreciate it. It helps my channel. And stay tuned because we will have a great tutorial with these beautiful beads. I will see you soon.